So one of my favorite recipes to make is this green goddess salad. We love it. We have it on our vegan menu. It's so simple to make. I'm gonna walk you through how to do it. When I do the vegan version, I pair it with wild rice and it comes out super filling, but it's crunchy, refreshing. I do warm rice underneath and an ice cold green goddess salad on top, and it's super nice. But if you're paleo or keto, the other version of that I do is do the green goddess salad underneath, crisp and cold and refreshing, and then do some grilled chicken on top. Some steak is nice too, but I love grilled chicken with it. Here's the deal. I think any way that you want to eat is awesome. I think that people don't stick with it because it's not delicious and it's not fun and it's not interesting. So they go back to their old ways. And so what I want to do is however you want to eat, I want it to be delicious and something that you always want to do and always look forward to. And that's what this dish is about right here. This green goddess salad can go any which way you'd like, and it's always delicious.